This time I've got a light bulb here for some packaging. It was I don't know if it was LED or incandescent, probably LED. And I kept the packaging, and it opens right at the side here. So I've clipped that shut. I greased the inside with Vaseline. I'm putting it into this container, and this is just, this is from Vitamins. I just cut it down so that it supports it as I pour. Now I've got 1.5 ounces of water in this container, and I've got, let's see, I've got 6 ounces of powder. So I'm going to add powder to water and stir. Just going to add it all. Now, I always wear a mask when I do this because the cement dust is very toxic, so please protect yourself with gloves and a mask. The instructions on the package say to stir for about a minute, but I'm just going to stir until there are no lumps. It's fully incorporated. Okay. So I've got this bottom or top half of a water bottle. Actually, let me just clip that. I'm going to insert that, pour it right in. I'm going to try to get every little bit out of here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert this into the center. So I'm just going to tap it so that any bubbles are going to settle. It's already solidifying, look at that. So I'm just going to set it back in here so that it can dry upright. And just rest on these clips. Okay, and we'll be back in about an hour to unveil this and see how it looks. Okay, so we're going to see how it did here. And first of all, I'm going to remove all these clips. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did grease the inside of this form with some Vaseline, just a thin layer. I've got this elastic around just to hold it. I'm going to take this out. That comes out easily. Wow, look at that. Let's try the other side. Oh yeah. Now this should be pretty much easily sandable. I'm just going to knock this off, just the excess seam here. It's really not as bad as I thought it would be. I thought it would leak everywhere, but it held up pretty well. Okay, so there you have it.